Hi guys, this is Vinod. Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, we have taken up a trade that was a bear put spread because we were bearish on Bajaj Finance. Why we were bearish? Banking and financial stocks were very negative, and you could see the fall that was taking place here. And even if you could see the MACD crossover, and then we started feeling that the stock will start breaking the low and then finally go to 1800 levels, because this is a move. It was maintaining a momentum of around 130. If you see this 1930 to almost 2060, it's about 130. So this was action. So when this particular low breaks, then it can go and reach another 130 points down from this particular low of 1930. Minus 130 should come around 1800. So when the candles were forming red and MACD was crossing down, we started feeling that it will go down. And since banking and financial sectors were very negative, we expected that this will go down. However, we wanted to buy 1800 port of June because that was very expensive. So we're slightly concerned about the premium. So we wanted to go for a spread when the market was around these zones. So we bought 1800 put, and we used a spread and shorted 1600 put. And finally, when Bajaj Finance finally reached our level around 1800, we exited both the positions at the same time, and we could bag about 8500 rupees in a very short time. This what is the spread. So we need to learn such things and use it carefully and understand these things. That's why we do have certain programs for people who can work on such strategies themselves independently. So we have a program coming up on 3rd June for a period of almost 50 hours. 50 hours starting on 3rd June and ending on 30th June, where we taking about all these option strategies and understanding the option chain, which will help us to understand what are the targets, and then using our statistical analysis, which will help us to understand the momentum, that is the volatility the security can move, and then understanding the supports and resistances using the retracement strategies, and also understanding how to select a stock which is fundamentally sound enough and strong enough, a reliable security using the fundamentals, and apply them the statistical analysis and the technicals and options to execute your trade right. So this is going to be a session where you will have a strong knowledge learning all these strategies, spanning almost 50 hours. And the sessions will be from Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 11 a.m., where even during live market you can learn all these things in the live session, so that you understand how markets behave and how these concepts really work during market hours. We encourage only virtual trading in this particular session so that you practice well and execute well, because trading requires some experience and skill. What more? This is the first session in India where we'll also be taking examples from US stocks so that you gain more experience, because going forward we are just going to enter into international trading finally, because the boundaries are going to break, and then people will start trading in US in next few months. So you need to gain some knowledge on US markets as well. Hope this video is of some help to you, and do analyze properly, do trade properly. Happy trading. Have a nice day. Thank you.